Hey everyone, welcome to ATTORNEX. ATTORNEX reduces the time needed for small claims and landlord-tenant practitioners to prepare legal documents. In this video, we'll be discussing a few litigation tips where a small claims practitioner will be representing a plaintiff who is the consumer and the defendant is a mechanic. So when you visit the site, you'll do a search for mechanic repairs or variation. You'll see other various documents that will pop up, like pre-litigation letters, settlement conference memorandum, cross-examination questions or trial questions, and you'll see a plaintiff's claim, submissions. We're going to be looking at a bundle here for this video. So some of the common causes of action in a mechanic failed repair case is false, misleading, or missing estimates, failure to disclose the full extent of work performed, failure to perform the requested work in a reasonable manner, performance of unauthorized or unnecessary work, any other damage that may occur while the property is in the mechanic's possession. A few other issues that a plaintiff may raise, whether or not the agreement for repairs was verbal. Did it include specifics as to the work required? Payments made in accordance with the agreement. If there was any terms that were implied by statute and common law, such as the completion of the work in a proper workmanlike manner and in a timely fashion. Could raise issues if the defendant had breached the contract by failing to complete and abandoning the job. Breaches of the Consumer Protection Act, whereas the terms of a written agreement or estimate. There may be also a disagreement with the job being done in a proper and workmanlike manner. Now, when you visit the site, you'll see a sample plaintiff's claim template that you can look at. It's also available for instant download. And in this one, we're looking at a litigation bundle. So there's some questions. Some of those questions are for trial. How long have you practiced this occupation? Do you have a business? What is it called? Is it an incorporated business? How long has this business been in operation? There's about 122 questions. This is a sample of those questions. Other things that you also may want to consider is disclosure. What kind of disclosure? What you may ask from the defendant. That could be any and all correspondence between parties in possession of the defendant, copy of timesheets for workers, copy of all invoices for parts. So we have what here is the templates that you can download. They have features that they're in chronological sequence, clear in writing style. They are templated. They provide persuasive arguments and damages with legal requirements and consequences of facts. There's annotations that help you move forward, so you can reduce the need for outside counsel and second opinions and compliance as to the requirements, including the rules for pleading in Rules of Small Claims Court. It also references to sections and statutes in small claims rules. So if you want to look at downloading it, you'll simply click the purchase button here, checkout, and then fill out the personal information, billing details, click terms of conditions, purchase, and it will download instantly. I'll also leave a link to this at the bottom of the video. Be sure to subscribe, and if you have any comments, leave them in the comment section below so the community watching can benefit from any response. You could also reach out to us by contacting us directly through the website, your name, email, phone, and put the message in the support and submit. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.